Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. 2014 Chevy Equinox. If you notice here, inside this place is empty. The car is on the lift, and here we have nothing. And that's how, when you have a mechanical work on the engine, you have to take everything down from under. In the bottom here, you see we have, this is the transmission unit. This is the transmission, and the 4x4 unit all is here, and this is a front four-wheel drive. So this is the axle that turning the front wheel, and also if you come from the back here, you're gonna have this one connected to this rear drive shaft, rear drive wheel drive. The reason we have, if you are going to drop this car, if you want to change the engine, you have to release this big bolt here and this bolt here. Also the steering, the rack and pinion is electronic. That means here is the electronic rack and pinion or electrical rack and pinion, that there is no power steering pump on this car. Everything is electric. Here we have a computer here, power steering control module, and the power steering motor. If you change it, a used one, yes, if it's the same part number, it will work, but you have to program it and initialize it. Now, in this area here, this is the transmission where the conveyor is there, and all the necessary is here. In the right side here, this is the whole engine. If you notice it here, this is the engine, that's the pulley, and if you notice here, maybe this is the place where the accessories or belt, alternator, all the functions of the car. Maybe even the water pump is inside here, I'm not sure. But why are we changing this engine? This engine, the car is like new, but lack of maintenance. What I mean by that, the customer drove the car, parked the car, everything look okay, come back, start the car doesn't start, engine locked up. After the verification, we found out there is no oil in the engine, and also there is no antifreeze in the engine. The chain drop, engine messed up. Simply like that. So we are talking here about preventive maintenance or regular maintenance. One of the things that you need to do at least every 3 months, or anytime you change the oil, or every 2-3 weeks, 1 month, before you drive your car, open the car, open the hood. This is oil dipstick. Pull it out. See if, you see, it's sitting somewhere. Like try to take it out. It's not this way, but I believe somewhere here like this. Take it out, check it, see if the oil is good or not. And also look at your maintenance book and time, when you're gonna change the oil. And antifreeze also, it have a barrel somewhere under the car. Check your antifreeze level. Don't wait. This is very, very expensive engine. Just for no reason, jump in the car and drive. And I'm talking to this, all my friends and also our sisters. When you buy your car, or your son or your husband give you a car, try to at least study some, have a regular visit to your mechanic and have them check the car. And be sure that all your 21 points, there is 21 point check, they call it checklist. They have to check it for you, and you have to have it. For example, this is the calipers. Okay, this is the calipers that pushing the brakes to hold the car. Let them check it and see if the brake is almost finished or not, or how long before it take to be changed. The electrical connector on the battery, grounds. Just try to be sure that your car is good. You don't need to go through this. Just for a little bit of time that you can spend 10 minutes under the hood, or 15 minutes to the mechanic, and you have to have a book for maintenance. Also, okay, I have nothing to say, but please take care of your car and be safe there. And please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, Brooklyn, New York, United States of America. Thank you for watching.